Are you hoping to wipe clean your criminal record, but worried that one or more of your offenses can't be expunged in New Jersey? If so, you're not alone. A lot of people are confused about what crimes can and can't be expunged, especially when they hear about the Clean Slate law here in New Jersey. In this video, I'll show you exactly what can be cleared, what can't, and what to do if your offenses are on the list. By the end of this video, you're going to know three very important things. First, you'll find out exactly which crimes in New Jersey can't be expunged, so you'll know right away whether your offense is on the list. Second, we'll look at some of the exceptions and gray areas, including situations where certain drug offenses might still qualify. And third, I'll explain what you can do next if your offense isn't eligible. Because even if expungement isn't an option, there may still be a way to move forward. When people hear about Clean Slate expungement in New Jersey, they picture wiping the whole board clean, like everything just disappears with one swipe. And for many people, that's true. But here's the thing most people don't realize. Some offenses are written in permanent marker. No matter how many times you try to clean the board, those crimes don't go away. Not with Clean Slate, not with any other kind of expungement in New Jersey. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what those offenses are so you don't waste your time, your money, or your hope on something the law simply won't allow. Let's start with a quick recap of what Clean Slate expungement actually does. Now, Clean Slate is a powerful expungement option in New Jersey, and it allows someone who has been conviction-free for 10 years and who meets other criteria to clear all eligible offenses in one petition. But, and this is critical, Clean Slate doesn't erase everything. Some offenses are permanently excluded under the law, no matter your history or how much time has passed. So let's break down exactly what crimes can't be expunged. First, violent and sexual offenses. These are considered the most serious and are fully excluded from expungement. That includes criminal homicide, except for death by auto, kidnapping, criminal restraint or false imprisonment, luring or enticing, human trafficking, aggravated sexual assault, aggravated criminal sexual contact, criminal sexual contact when the victim is a minor, criminal sexual contact when the offender is not the parent of the victim, endangering the welfare of a child, endangering the welfare of a child by engaging in sexual conduct which would impair or debauch the morals of the child, causing or permitting a child to engage in a prohibited sexual act, selling or manufacturing child pornography, or knowingly promoting the prostitution of the actor's child. Next are serious public safety crimes, which include robbery, arson and related offenses, terrorism, possession or manufacture of chemical, biological, or nuclear weapons. Then we have crimes committed in public office. If the crime was committed while you held a public position and the offense involved or touched on that role, it's not expungible. For example, a government worker who commits theft while in office would not be eligible even if the same crime might otherwise qualify. Next are perjury and obstruction-related crimes like perjury itself or false swearing. Finally, let's talk about drug distribution offenses. Most of these crimes are excluded from expungement, but there are some exceptions for lower level cases. You might be eligible if you were charged with possession of 5 grams or less of hashish, or it was a third or fourth degree drug distribution charge, and the court finds that expungement is in the public interest. I put together a detailed article that lists every offense that can't be expunged in New Jersey, and I'll leave a link to that in the description. Now, why does this list matter so much? Well, if all of your convictions are eligible, you may be able to clear your entire record through Clean Slate. But if you have even one non-expungible offense, like robbery or aggravated sexual assault, that offense will stay in your record even if everything else is cleared. So yes, Clean Slate could still be an option for some of your history, but those serious convictions, they're staying. That's why understanding this list isn't just helpful. It's absolutely essential before you start the process. So now you know the truth. Some crimes in New Jersey just can't be expunged, not even through Clean Slate. But if you have other offenses that are eligible, you might still qualify to clear everything else from your record. If you're looking to expunge a criminal record here in Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, Salem, or Cumberland County, New Jersey, just click on the link in the description to schedule a call in my office to discuss it. If you want to learn more about how Clean Slate expungement works, check out my next video where I explain it. Who qualifies, how it's different from traditional expungement, and what steps to take if you're ready to move forward.